Hello everybody. Hello everybody. My name is MVD Duo. Let's play Slime Rancher. It was a long delay, and it's like moving my computer again, like some stuff like that. So let's play Slime Rancher. I heard like this was a pooping like that. It was like just poops. I'm gonna name the game. It's the same. I think I should name it. I think I should name it. Poop, I guess. Poop. Poops. Poop. Yeah, just name it poop. Okay. I named it poop. Poops. Oh my god. Why did it take so much time? Work already! What? Work already. Oh, it's working. Yay. It's working. Okay. Okay. Okay, that was expected. Okay. Okay, moving. Escape or jump. Okay. I'm jumping. And hold the shift. I'm running. Why do I have a gun in my hands? Why? Why do I have a gun? Go back here. What am I even doing? Oh, I get it. It's that. Shit. What happened? What happened? I just took it. Okay. 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 Ah, what is this? What are these? Jelly. Ah, it's the most common fruit found on the range, and some say the most delicious. Okay, what's the star for? Oh, is that? Negative. Okay. Shoot. Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, go fruit. Okay, take them. Yeah, take them. These. Those are the poops. Take them. Poops. That's what they call it, poop. I get it. Okay. Pink clothes. Oh, there's no more. I got some money for this. Oh, okay. What's this? So here. Oh, the jetpack. Bang! How am I supposed to use it? Oh, I get it. Figure out how to use it. Oh, my face. Okay, okay, I get it. Yeah. I'm gonna get some more poop. Poop. Some pinks. Yeah! Oh, I got a carrot. Yeah, the carrot. Yeah. I got a carrot. Okay. Why is it lagging? The game is lagging. Why? The game's lagging. No! Yeah! Get it there. Oh gosh. Why is it lagging? Okay, kind of working. Yes. Ah! Run! I'm stuck. Shit. What's here? Look at this. Okay, that's poof. So cool. Take the cat. Yeah. That's all for today, guys, and I'll see if I can fix the lagging thing here. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.